Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? So in this video, we are uh, discussing our performance and monitoring of our performance for our YouTube channel and using our Excel expertise. How to well, we are showing that how do we utilize our Excel knowledge and um, figure out the key success factors with respect to our running of our channel. And as you know that YouTube Studio is full of the things, the full of information on which you can take the decision what to do and how to improve your importance, how to improve your reach to your audience and to increase your views and increase the watch time and subscribers and the estimated revenue, etc. So for this, we have made a folder, and that is uh, its name is monthly files, right? We have chosen this name just to put all the files which we download from our our channel, and they are in the Excel type, and they are following a particular naming convention. First four characters are the years, and the second two character are the month, and last two character the date, right? So this how we save this, and then we just simply load this file, and we run this activity. So all the files are loaded in one sheet. All your files are loaded in one sheet. And since the files are starting from the 1st January of 2025, so we can uh, figure out that since the start of this year until now, the last day which we updated was the 22nd of February, right? So this is the table sheet, and in the table sheet we have added a new column. If you can see, that is called the the day of the week, the weekday. So 4 stands for Yom Arba, that is Wednesday. Yeah, 7 stands for Yom Sabt, that is Saturday, right? And 6 stands for what? Uh, that is Friday. Friday. Yeah. So this will uh, by doing this, we are actually able to create another report that is to tell you that which of the day of the week have how many views and US dollars and watch time, right? So as you can see, the highest is here. That is Thursday. Thursday is the highest views you have. It's a great difference. It's 706, whereas all the other days of the week are not mm, uh, increasing than that of the Thursday with respect to views. And how about the what you say watch time? The watch time is still matches. It's like 16.54 hours. That is also on Thursday. So this is the winner of the week, right? This is the winner of the week. So Thursday is the day on which we should focus. The best of our content we loaded on Thursday would probably be more meaningful and more effective, uh, and as compared to the other days of the week, right? As you can see, here, these are the 706 and this, right? So it's a clear leading day for us. And on Thursday, we should, uh, since we have in our, say, contents, you can see there, there are in the pipeline, so many stuff is already ready. So if we have good content, so we something very impressive which you were able to do. So try to make it, schedule it on Thursday. What is the next Thursday? So you can see it from here. The next Thursday, which is going to come, is uh, is on 27th, right? On 27th. So we can put our best content on Thursday. Schedule the best content on Thursday. Would be more purposeful and more meaningful. This is what we have to experiment and see that if it works, because there is a clear indication that the Thursday is very effective, and Thursday is a, it does not mean that you stop working on the other days, but Thursday, when you have the option and you have stuff in the pipeline, so try to focus the best of your the best of your stuff which you want to upload and public, uh, make the video available, make the video public. So the Thursday is the best day for this. Okay, one thing is this. Now, what's special with the Thursday? I take you to I give you a very interesting thing with respect to Thursdays, right? Why the Thursday is important, right? So let me take you to Riyadh Salihin. Yeah, and this is here. Yeah. So in the chapter, this chapter talks about something which is very special about the Thursday. Hmm? Hmm. So I read it for you. The Prophet Muhammad SAW set out on Thursday for the expedition of Tabuk. Hmm. He liked to set out on a journey on Thursdays. Hmm. So this again uh, gives us the clue that we should do all our important things. If we have the option, then let's choose the Thursday for this, right? Also, awal nahar means the first early part of the day is also important because there's a dua which the Prophet Muhammad Sallam, he has asked for his ummah is Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. As I highlighted for you. Yeah, this is the dua. Oh Allah, bless my people in the early part of the day, that morning. Hmm. So when we try to schedule our any say job to be done, so the best time for doing this is the early part of the day. Hmm. So as of our practice, we were doing a mistake that we were not following it. So in the next time, these are scheduled. So let's schedule it. Hmm. Let's schedule it in the early part of the day, not at 12:15. I normally do it on 12:15. So let's make it the early part of the day would be 6:45, I think. 6:45 a.m. would be the fine thing, huh? 6:45 a.m. This is the early part, or 7 would also do, right? Like 7 a.m. is the best time when we should start selling anything on from our shops or start any business, the opening of the shop, opening of our adventure. If anybody wants is going for an adventure for mountain hiking or whatever, so early part of the day is the best thing because the dua of the Prophet is there, Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. So I just wanted to share with you these two things as a part of our practice of using uh, our as a part of our practices, the standard practices for running our channel. Running our channel is also a part, a sort of business which we are indulged. So if it is in accordance with the Sunnah of the Prophet, then it's going to be for sure. So we have to have faith on it, right? The faith is foremost. The more faith we have, the better we do. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.